Hello, this is Ramon's Rester and watching Artisan World. Today I'm back with a problem, and the problem is what must be the value of sin a by x for the equation integration from 0 to x t square minus 12t plus 20 dt is equals to x sin a by x to have a solution. So, before you will look at the answer, don't forget to try by yourself and come back to the problem. So, for this, first must be done at first. First rule, that is writing on the given 0x into t square minus 12t plus 28 dt is equals to x sine a upon x. So now let us put them in different form. T square dt will minus 12. Let us bring it to the front of integration. 0x will be t dt plus 0x 28 dt is equals to x sine a upon x. Now then, what will you do? Let us integrate. For this, we should know the integration, that integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So now do it like this. Integration t square, it will be t power 2 plus 1, it will be equal to 3 by 2 plus 1, it will be 3. So it will be from 0 to x. We still have to put down the values also. Here also same like this, t square by 2 x 0 plus here will be t, here will be 28 0 x is equals to x sine a upon x. So while you put down the values, what will happen? X cube by 3 here, and we shouldn't have to put down the value of 0 because anything to 0 will be equal to 0 here. 12 x square by 2 plus 28 x is equals to x sine a upon x. Now as we can see that in left hand side and in right hand side we have got x common, so let us cancel out these two, or it will be x square by 3 minus 12 x upon 2, which will equal to 6. Let us write down later on, plus 28 is equals to sine a upon x. So here let us make it a simpler form. X square upon 3 minus 6x plus 28 is equals to sine a upon x. Now while we take 1 by 3 common here, what will happen then? Here will be 1 x square minus, here will be 6 3 is 18 x plus 20 into 3 832. It will be equal to this, I think it's 84. Yeah, okay, it will be equal to 84. It's equals to sine a upon x. So for this, let us take it a simpler form. Let us make it 1 by 3. It will be x square minus 18x plus 84 minus 3 plus 3 sine a by x. So from here we have got 1 by 3 x square minus 18x plus 84 minus 3, which will be equal to 1 by 3 x minus 9 whole square plus 1 is equals to sine a upon x. So if we take this out, then it will be equal to the upper one, that 84 minus 3 will be equal to what? Will be equal to 81, which is the square of 9. Here we can write it 2 into x into 9. So x square minus 2 into x into 9 plus 9 square will be x minus 9 whole square, while this plus 3 will go to the front and multiply with this 1 by 3, still be equal to plus 1. So yeah, now let us take sine a by x to the front, plus 1 minus sine a upon x equals to 0, equation 1. So anything to be 0 from this, we know that we should have 1 by 3 x minus 9 whole square plus 1 greater than 0, while sin a by x must be less than or equals to 1 in order to have got a smaller number. So now from this, it will be 1. Then from this, equation 1 holds true. When that equation holds true, then it is when we have got this as equals to 1 and sin a by x will be equals to 1. So when you have this value equal to 1, then it will be 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So for that, now why should we write only 1 then? Why can't we write 2? For that, here we have supposed greater than or less equals to 1 and less than or equals to 1, and the value beholding this equation will be from these values, so it will be 1. Now from that, we have got the value of sin a by x equals to 1. Therefore, when we have got x equals to 9, that will be the solution. It holds true for the equation, and the equation will have got a solution. So here's the answer. Sin a by x is equals to 1. And now if you want to give it a try, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share it among your friends so that your friend will also know about this solution.